leaders are likely to hold negotiations through a virtual conference on Sunday to raise funds for Beirut. Pakistan launched biggest tree plantation campaign today. Around 3.5 million trees will be planted in a day across the country. In Afghanistan, Loya Jirga recommend release of remaining 400 Taliban prisoners. Turkey offers Lebanon to restore Beirut port and destroyed buildings. Pakistan has currently 2,84,121 confirmed cases of COVID-19, out of which 6,082 have died and 2,60,248 have recovered. Thousands of protesters out against Lebanese leadership after the deadly explosion.